Okay, diagnosing heater problems. When we had this engine swap, we put in a new radiator, heater core, vacuum lines, temperature control valve, all that stuff. We haven't had any trouble until recently. It's not heating or very little heating. And like I say, it's got a new heater control valve, this little gizmo right here. When that is in its natural state without any vacuum applied, when the vacuum is applied, and what it allows it to do from right here is, this is the hot water supply line on this right hand side over here, the bigger side. This is the return line to the front of the water pump. This one goes to the heater core, supplies the heater core with its hot water. This one comes back, and so the vacuum on this little vacuum switch is what opens and closes the door in there to send the water to the heater core. In its natural state, without any vacuum on it, it is set to go straight across. No, I'm sorry. It is set to come in, go up into the heater core, circulate, and then come back out and go back to the water pump. When vacuum is applied, it closes that valve, and water goes from this line, this big fat line over here, just right back and circulates right back down over to the water pump. Does not go through the heater core. So now let me show you what it is doing. We replaced the thermostat a couple of weeks ago. Okay, we've got the switch to the cold position. And that applies vacuum to that switch. Which then pulls this door closed, not allowing water to get over to the heater core. And you can see that. Switch right there. Now we're going to turn the heat on and come back and look at that switch again. Now you would think that would be the one sending vacuum, but the natural state is the vacuum sucks on it. Okay, now you're going to notice that it is out. Allowing water from that fat hose there circulate up to that top hose and into the heater core and back down and around. The problem with this one is it's not going in the heater core. With the valve in that position, both the bottom lines are hot. Neither top line is hot. Barely warm. Cold air is coming out even with it on heat. So that valve, that little door inside that valve is malfunctioning, broken off or something. Because now, again, it is got vacuum applied to it and is holding closed. So, am I going to mess with that this afternoon? I'm not sure if I am or not. But anyway, that is what the hose routing looks like. I'm going to post this video as hose routing, and there you can get a good look at it right there. And like I said, that fat hose there comes from the intake back there at the back, getting hot water, supplying it, and it should be going up into the heater core. And I would like to say, well, it's a brand new heater core, but it's not clogged because neither line is warm. It's barely warm going in, but that valve would be completely shut off going to the heater core. There wouldn't be any warm water going to it at all. And that's the way, that's the position that is. But even with the door open, both bottom lines are still hot and the top lines are cool. I guess there's a possibility that, well, no, if the heater core was clogged, you wouldn't be getting water back through that bottom line either. So that valve is sending water back through it. So there's something malfunctioning about that valve. So we're going to, I don't know, like I said, if we're going to switch it out this afternoon or not. It's about 40 degrees. It's not that cold, but I just don't want to do it. This is a 6-minute video. Let's see, we may, I don't know what I'm going to do yet.